So I give this vacuum a 3 out of 5 stars. It's not the best vacuum in the world, but it gets the job done. Like you have to, the con about it is that you have to push it a little hard. It's not that smooth as other vacuums are, like Shark or other big brands out there. And this vacuum, it is pretty quiet. It's like when you do, like it's not that loud as compared to other vacuums. Like, and you can see that you have to push a little bit, like what I'm doing with the carpet. It's not that smooth as other vacuums are, but the only good thing about it is that it's pretty quiet. So I would give this vacuum from the 5-star perspective, a 3. I mean, it gets the job done, but it's not the best vacuum in the world. It's just, the only good thing about it is that it's pretty quiet as compared to other vacuums, and it has an LED on the bottom where you could vacuum in the dark. So that's the only 2 good things about it. But other than that, I would probably look at other vacuums because this vacuum is good too, but it just gets the job done.
Here is my vacuum cleaner, the charger. As you can see, it's fully charged. And now I'm going to take it out and put it in the vacuum cleaner, and you're going to see what's happening. Now I'm going to press it, and as you can see, it does not go on. It does not work, and I would like a refund, please. Thank you.
This is all it does when you press the power button. Like it doesn't turn on at all. Just a waste of my money. Don't know what to do, but can't vacuum my house now.
Got this vacuum because having to kittens be messy. Love this metallic red. Comes with all of these attachments.
Fully charged, won't turn on.